Let's see what we can do in just 6 minutes to cultivate inner peace. We'll soothe the nervous system and open space for clarity and peace. Welcome. My name is Siule. This is a Kriya Quick Fix. We tap to reset. Let's get started. Interlace your fingers and plant them at the back of the head. The hands are pressing the skull forward and up, and the skull is pressing the hands back. Begin twisting from side to side. Have a little bend in the knees to protect the joints. The nose can point forward, or like me, point the nose up if it's okay for your neck. We're opening up and lubricating the spine. In breath as you twist left. Out breath as you twist right. Inhale left, exhale right. Add on wiggling the hands up and down. Swipe your hands forward and down the front of your body in a release, sweeping away all that is not positive. Let's begin tapping. Tap up and down the front of the body. And rest. Maybe your eyes are closed. Focus on how your body is feeling. Make these engagements for our next Kriya. Plant the tip of your tongue on the roof of your mouth. Close the mouth, breathe through the nose. Focus the closed eyes at the mid-brain. Keep these engagements. Your hands are in the shape of claws, with the thumbs digging into the bicep and the fingers digging into the tricep. My face is pointed up so that my forearm can press down the tip of my nose. I'm still breathing through my nose, but the tip is pressed down, knees bent and separated. Inhale, twisting left. Exhale, twisting right. Tongue tip at the roof of the mouth, eye gaze to midbrain. And please rest. Squeeze your shoulders up to your ears and lift your heels off the ground. And when you land in a heavy thump with knees bent. Inhale with the shoulders rising, heels up. Exhale, thump down. Let it out with sound. It amplifies the release. Slow it all down and come to a stop. Begin tapping anywhere on your body you want. We add on Kali Mudra. That's where the tongue is out and down, eyes up. Exhale with the tongue out and down. Inhale through the nose. Exhale, the tongue way out and down. Tap alternating hands. Your body may prefer for you to tap lightly or tap really strong, but always infused with kindness. Adding on, moving the legs. Simultaneous tapping, both hands drum the body at the same time. Add in movement with the lower body. bounce, wiggle the legs, or jog in place. Tap the collarbone. Slowing it down, release, relax. Your practice is complete. Notice the calm and clarity you've cultivated and let it flow into the rest of your day. Thank you for sharing your practice with me.